Hello teachers and young coders, welcome back to our Scratch tutorial. In our last video, we learned how to make our sprite dance and add sounds. Today, we're going to learn something new, how to make our sprite react when we click on it or press a key on the keyboard. So the first thing that we need to do is open our Scratch program. Once you open it, you can change your backdrops. You can use any backdrops that you want to use, but in my case, I will use the boardwalk. Then change our sprite. I'm going to use people. Let's say, for example, I will use Danny. And I will drag Danny to the center because Danny is too big. I want to change his size to 70. As you can see, Danny becomes small. And now we will start our program. We will be focused on the events because in the events, we can use the so-called blocks that when we click the sprite, it acts something or it will do something. Drag the when this sprite click means when we click this sprite, it will do something. Then after that, go to control. Use the forever. Forever means loop, means continuous. It will play again and again. Then after that, we will go to the looks. And we will drag say hello. Okay, the purpose of say hello, when we click this sprite, it will say hello. For example, like this. When I click the green flag and click this sprite, you can see that it's saying hello. Then I want to make it speak. So we're going to use sound. Okay. So drag the play sound and just stop. And I want to change the sound and I want to use my own sound. Just click record. Record. Hello. Stop recording. You just focus on the record that you say hello. Just save and change or rename the recording one to hello. Then save and go back to the coding area and change the play sound to hello. Once I click the green flag and click the sprite, it will say hello. 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 You see? Hello. Our sprite is saying hello using my own voice. But it's quite boring. I want to change the costume. That every time I click the sprite, it will change the costume. Go to the looks. And you drag the next costume next to say hello. Or you can also but anyway, you can use the next costume next to the play sound or after the sprite will say hello. It's up to you. Let's try it. And I click this sprite. Hello. You see, it changed in hello. Costume. Hello. Just stop. Now let's go to the other keys. For example, I want to use the space. So we will drag the when this keyboard key press. For example, I use arrow, down arrow, or key A or B in our keyboard, but I will going to use space. I want my sprite that every time I click the space in my keyboard, the sprite will move forward. So drag, go to the motion and drag the change X by 10 means X position x-axis, the sprite will move forward by 10 steps. Like this. Start, and when I click space, the sprite will move 10 times. Okay? But if I want my sprite to go back, just change it or just add negative sign to your number. When I click, the sprite will back up. I hope that you learned something today. And please don't forget to subscribe in our channel for more videos. Goodbye everyone!